This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and use the zoom feature on this device. So, first take your Apple Watch and wake it up. Now launch Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Accessibility category. And now open Zoom Preferences. Here you have the toggle that allows you to enable, zoom, or, well, disable it respectively. Once this option is switched on, you can activate zoom by double tapping with 2 fingers. Yep. And now in order to navigate zoom, just use your digital crown. So scroll it like that. In order to exit the zoom or get things back to normal, just once again, double tap with your 2 fingers at the screen or at the display. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.